In this video we're going to take a look at how to transfer money out of your PayPal account into your linked bank or savings account. To get started, open the PayPal app and make sure that you're logged into your account. The first thing that we want to do is make sure that our bank accounts or where you're sending the money to is set up. From the home screen, tap the wallet icon on the bottom right of the page. Inside of here you'll see a shortcut to the linked banks and cards on your account. If you haven't set this up yet it'll be empty, and you can tap the plus sign. From the pop-up, select the option you're using, like banks, and then follow through the steps of connecting your bank account. Each bank is a little different in their logins, but you'll need to know that info to connect. Once you're finished, you'll see the account inside of the linked banks and cards. Now that we have that done, let's transfer some money over. Tap your PayPal balance here. On the PayPal balance screen, select transfer, and on the next pop-up choose where you want to transfer to. For this we'll select transfer to bank. First, let's choose the amount we want to transfer. If you want to send the entire balance, just leave this as default. But if you only want to send a certain amount, then select the balance at the top and enter the amount you want to send. Next, we have two options on how we want to transfer. You can transfer in minutes, but it will cost you a small fee. It's usually pretty small, so it may be worth it to you. The other option you have is standard, which takes up to a few days, but is free. Make your choice there, and then make sure that the bank or account that you want to transfer to is selected below. If not, say if you have more than one sources, just tap change, and make your choice. When you're finished, you'll see the transfer button on the bottom with the summary, tap that, and your money will start the transfer process. You'll then receive the money in the time option that you chose. And that's how you transfer money from PayPal to your bank account.